To add Flipgrid into your Canvas course as an LTI, we have to do a couple of setup steps first. One, I want you to have Flipgrid open in a second tab. Make sure you're logged into your account. We'll come back here in a minute. Then in Canvas, we're going to open the course that you want to add Flipgrid to. I'm going to scroll down to Settings, and I'm going to make sure that I'm on the Apps tab. You might start on Course Details, but you want to switch over to Apps. You may need to refresh your screen to see this next part because there is a link here next to where it says See Some LTI Tools. I'm going to right-click on this link to open it in a new tab. We're going to use that in a minute. The website that opens is eduappcenter.com, so you can also just type that into the address bar, eduappcenter.com. So we're going to need the Canvas tab, this Edu App Center tab, and the Flipgrid tab all open. When I'm back in Canvas and on the app screen, I'm going to click where it says View App Configurations. We will come back here in a minute. Now I want you to go to Flipgrid. From your Flipgrid account, you're going to click on your icon in the top right corner and then click on Profile. From this page, you're going to click where it says Integrations, and we're going to create a new Canvas integration. Click where it says Add New Integration. We'll need to name this. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it your course or whatever you think is great. This is going to give you your consumer key and your shared secret. We'll need these in a minute. I'm also going to go to the Edu Apps tab, and in this one I'm going to type in Flipgrid. Once it comes up, click on the Flipgrid tile and scroll to the bottom. The configuration URL is something that we will also need. On the Canvas tab, we're going to add a new app. So go ahead and click on the blue plus app button. And at the top where it says configuration type, we're going to change that from manual entry to by URL. In the name, I'm just going to type Flipgrid. Now it's asking for the consumer key and the shared secret. We need these from your specific Flipgrid account. So I'm going to go to the Flipgrid tab where it says consumer key. I'm going to click copy and then go back to Canvas, and where it says consumer key, I'm going to paste it. Then I need to go to my shared secret, click copy, go back to Canvas, and paste it. Now it's asking for that configuration URL. That one we're going to get from the Edu App Center tab. At the bottom, we're going to copy that URL and then go back to Canvas and paste. Now I'm going to click Submit. You should now see that Flipgrid has been added to your apps. So to create a Flipgrid assignment in Canvas, you can start from your module or you can start from an assignment. So I'm just going to create a new assignment. And I'm going to open that assignment and then click Edit. And you can input any directions that you want in this box. And you can make it worth points, or you could do a complete incomplete. And then for the submission type, you're going to choose external tool. Then I'm going to click Find, and I'm going to choose Flipgrid from this and hit Select. Assign it to whoever you need, and then hit Save. What will happen is you now have the ability in the assignment that Flipgrid is built right into Canvas. So this is where I'm going to actually build the grid. So I could add a picture here. I could edit and add more directions if I want. I can add some of the kind of rules. So if I click Edit Topic, I can actually change the name. I can add more to the prompt. I can choose what kind of media resource is there. This is where I can also edit the topic moderation and the comments. So the point is once you create this integration, you're actually going to be creating your grids in Canvas. You won't create them in Flipgrid. And then you can just click Update Topic. So if you want to know what this looks like from the student end, I will show you that. For students using the iPad and the Canvas app, the steps will look a little bit different to record. The first thing I'm going to do is just open the Flipgrid app to have it open in the background. Then I'm going to open the Canvas app. I'm going to go to my course as a student, find my assignment, and they're going to have to tap on the Launch External Tool button. From this screen, they're going to tap on Record a Response. When they get this prompt, they're going to tap Open in App. It will then bounce to the record screen, recording another test, recording another test, and then they'll hit Submit and return to topic. When I go back to Canvas, I will now see those multiple responses. So for students, they can click on the assignment and they're going to actually see the grid. So this is my class that I'm in, and here is my Flipgrid topic, and they're going to record a response. If they're on the iPad, when they click the record button, it will probably prompt them to open the Flipgrid app. So even though all of this is inside Canvas, they will end up recording a response using the Flipgrid app. So it'll go back and forth. But I'll show you then if I record a response. So I'm going to record. Hi guys, recording just an example. And then I'm going to pause that, click next. Hi guys, recording just an example. And then I'm going to, and I can put my display name. I could add kind of the extra little things you can in Flipgrid, and I'm gonna click submit and then hit done. So now if I stop being a student, what that looks like on the teacher end is that I will see that I have one response that I can view, but I can also open SpeedGrader, and I will see that same response in SpeedGrader. The other really cool thing, if I go back to the student view, students will see the other responses, and all of this will be right in Canvas. So they don't, the only thing that they'll get bounced to the app for is to actually record, but they can listen and watch to the other responses right in Canvas. So that is how you use the Flipgrid to Canvas integration.